Welcome back to Pier Runners. We've done a few videos where we share essential cruise items that we love, but we found new ones for 2026 that we're really anxious to share with you.
And all the items that we're going to show you in today's video, we will put the links in the description box down below if you are looking to buy them.
All right, let's get started.
So the first thing that I found that I think is such a great little idea are these TSA approved toiletry bags. Now this comes as a little set of 3, and as you can see, it comes with this clear window, and the sides of the bag is actually this nice little black material, and there's a nice gold zipper around it. What I like about these is that they open up on the top like this, so you can fill them up really easily, and you can also access your stuff really easily, and that way you can see exactly what's in your bag. And since these are TSA approved, they're the right size when you're passing security, and you can use these for multiple uses. I use this one for liquids for my toiletries, but you can use it for makeup. You can also
electronics, wires.
Yeah, electronics, wires, and since it's clear, it makes it super easy to find your stuff.
Another item that we found that we really liked are these waterproof travel bags. So basically these are like, we use them as laundry bags.
Yeah.
So they come in all these different patterns that are really cool and trendy. But what's cool about them is that they are waterproof. So I guess if you have clothes that are dirty and wet, you just throw them in there.
Yeah.
And that way you don't get anything else wet.
Yeah, and it doesn't stink up the rest of the bag, you know,
Yeah.
because like you can put all your clothes in here on the way home, and your suitcase is going to continue smelling fresh. It comes in a set of 2, which I think is really practical, like one for me, one for my husband. We often each have our own suitcase. And what I like about this, it comes with a little handle. So if you do have access to a laundry facility on your cruise, you can just bring down your laundry to the laundry,
on the cruise
the
itself.
laundry room, and use these little handles to do so. So super practical. All right, the next item on the list is this little makeup bag that I found. It's got this clear PVC, so you can see all the items in your makeup bag super easily, which makes it easy to access and grab what you need. The thing I like the most about this little makeup bag is that underneath it, there's a zipper, and you do have storage here for all your makeup brushes. And that's a really nice way to travel with your makeup. They stay clean this way and sanitary, so it doesn't, you know, dirty up your little makeup bag on the inside.
Every time I say makeup bag like this, I think gadgets. I could put all the gadgets at the top, convert this into a manly thing, and at the bottom, I could coil up the wires and put them into the little sleeves for the brushes.
For sure, but it is a makeup bag, and it comes with a little handle like this. Again, it has this black detail with the little gold zipper, and I think it makes it really nice and elegant. It's one of my favorites for 2026. All right, I also wanted to show you this little makeup bag. It's basically got a hard shell around it. If you're traveling with anything in glass and you're scared that there might be an impact and it might break, this is maybe a better option.
How strong is it? Oh yeah, it's really strong. It's like an exoskeleton.
Yeah, and so it does have a little zipper here in the front. It opens like this. Super easy to stack all your stuff in here super easily. And as you can see, there's a clear window on the back and on the front of it, so it makes it really easy to locate what you're looking for. Again, you can use this also for electronics or whatever you need to store.
It's like a classy little off-white, like a little warm.
Yeah,
it's
I love
almost
this
like a light
warm
pink.
beige, really pretty.
As you all know, all the walls are made of metal, so people bring hooks, they bring anything that's magnetic. This is another great little addition to the magnetic family of things that you can bring on the ship. It's basically a toothbrush holder. So this is a great way, especially if you're a family of 4, to clear up a bit of space in that stateroom washroom.
There's a big black magnet on the back of it. So
I think it's pretty strong.
Yeah, it's really strong. So it can hold onto the wall right next to the sink. That way it frees up that counter space. Okay, the next item I wanted to show you is a hanging toiletry bag. Now, in our last videos, we did show you the hanging toiletry bag from BagSmart. This is actually the medium size, so it's perfect for me and John. But if you are traveling with a family, maybe you should look at the larger size, so that it comes in 2 sizes. So it's a bit the same kind of concept. So it opens up in the middle like this, and then you do have your little hook. So you can hook this on the hook inside your bathroom so that you can free up again the counter space, and you have 4 clear windows here that you can put your products in. Super easy to locate your products. You also have like elastic bands to hold all your products in place. But why I got this one is because it has this secret pocket in the front.
Backdoor surprise.
So here in the front, there's a pocket and it's actually a jewelry holder. So it holds all my jewelry for the cruise. That way your toiletries and your jewelry is all in one. You don't have to bring like a jewelry holder and your stuff won't get wrecked that way. So I think it's really a clever little design. And I got it again in this beautiful beigey color. I thought it was so pretty.
Like Batman would say, does it come in black?
It comes in black. So if you prefer black or pink, it does come in other colors.
Another great product that we've discovered recently are these shampoo and conditioner bars. Any opportunity that we have to remove a liquid from our TSA approved thing and make it into a solid, we take it. So it just makes packing easier.
This is from the company Clic, as you can see, and it's a set of 2. It comes with the shampoo and conditioner.
As you can see, these are bars that resemble soap bars, but they're actually shampoo and conditioners. So you lather these up when you're in the shower and they foam up and they become like the consistency of shampoo.
This one is my favorite. It's the coconut oil.
Are they
shampoo.
both coconut oil?
Yeah. What's cool is that they're color safe, they're pH balanced. You can go up to 100 washes with these and they're cruelty free. So really cool. Now, if you are traveling with these 2 bars, you're gonna wanna bring a container to travel with them. I got this one, it's from a company called Pier, and it does have a seal around the edge here so that, you know, it's leak proof, which is really nice. It comes with a little soap tray at the bottom. So as you can see, you can fit the shampoo and conditioner perfectly in this container. Close it up, and then you can just seal it with this rubber band and make sure that it doesn't open
I
while
like
you're
that they
traveling.
add the rubber band just to make sure it stays in place. That's smart.
And it does come with 2 of these mesh bags. Now the cool thing about these mesh bags is that you can put your shampoo and conditioner right in here and just leave them in the mesh bags. And that way when you wet them, you can lather it up within the mesh
you
bag.
just leave it in.
If you want to also dry these in the shower, you can hang them up and let them drip through the mesh bag.
Does it make it like a loofah? No.
No.
I don't know.
The next item that we wanted to show you is a little mini brush. I personally love this make, the wet brush, just because you can detangle your hair even if your hair is wet. So you get less breakage using the wet brush hair brushes, and it comes in a super small format, so it really doesn't take up a lot of room in your toiletry bag. That's why I like this little small format. I got this cute rainbow one. And John and I both use it, even though it's rainbow colored.
But what makes it like for wet hair? Is it?
It's basically the bristles on it are like very flexible, so it doesn't break your hair.
Yeah, okay.
And this is good for all hair types.
And I'm losing my hair, so any hair I can protect and not rip out is a battle won for me. Staying on the subject of the washroom, here is a little spritz in your toilet before you go kind of product that kind of eliminates odors before they really overtake the room. The staterooms are small, the washrooms are small. If you're sharing your stateroom and you actually love your fellow passengers, this is what you want to have with you. And these work really well.
Yeah, they do. And they come in different formats. So this is the travel sized one. As you can see, it's tiny.
It's almost flat.
Super, super flat. Perfect to even throw into your purse or into a back pocket or something, so you can even travel with these. So the next item I wanted to show you is this hair curler that I just got myself. If you're not good at actually curling your hair, or you know, you're like somebody who burns your fingers all the time like I do, this is really cool because there's a chamber that covers the actual heating element. So this never really gets hot, so you can put this close to your face or your ears, and basically you take a strand of your hair, you push this button here on the side, and it rolls up your hair inside the chamber. It like does all the work for you, so you don't have to worry about like rolling your hair around the curler and all that. And you got 3 different temperature settings. You can also do 3 types of curls.
But is there a restriction on something like this on the, are you allowed to bring this on the cruise?
On the cruise you're allowed curling irons and you're allowed hair dryers. The only thing you're not allowed are irons or any other kind of heating element.
So if it's for your hair, you can, but you can't iron your clothes.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
But I highly recommend it. This is called the Conair InfinitePro Curler. And like I said, I'm in love with it. I think it's a really great quality curler.
There's a lot of talk out there in the cruise community about fans, and for good reason. Some of the rooms don't cool off exactly the way you would expect to, especially in some of the older ships, especially if you're cruising like in June, July. The Caribbean is just scorching, and the AC will keep the rooms cool, but sometimes you need just a little something to make them cooler. So we bring this fan with us that we've come to really like.
Well, we never really traveled with fans before, but I'm going through premenopause.
So she needs it.
And I have like these heat waves in the middle of the night, so I just need a fan to cool me off. Somebody was talking about these magnetic fans online, and so we decided to get one, and I brought it on my last trip, and it was really a godsend. So
yeah, it has 5 speeds, very strong. Like most of these fans, it has a swivel function.
Yeah.
So you can just put this anywhere because the walls are magnetic. There's a magnet here, right?
Yeah.
So you can put it next to the room, up on top, so you can have it shooting on you while you sleep. Surprisingly
you can also
strong.
put it on the night table next to you too. It sits on the night table.
It's freestanding, so it's really a versatile little fan. Surprisingly strong. Charges with a USB-C wire. So this is just a great fan to have with you to make sure your room is super comfortable all the time during those really hot seasons.
And if you are looking for something a little bit more portable to go out on an excursion or something, basically this is a little neck fan. And I really like this one because the traditional neck fans, you know, they're like these U-shaped ones. They're really big and bulky. This one comes with like 2 little motors on each side, and it comes with this wire, so you unwind it like this. So basically you put this around your neck. And again, this one has 3 different settings, and you can have it cool off your neck and your face while you're out on an excursion, and that's really, really great.
They're pretty strong.
It's also really great if you're traveling on the plane. I get, like I said, I get these heat waves now, so I can just keep this in my purse, pull it out when I need it, and, you know, cool myself off really quickly. And what's really cool is because it has like this malleable wire, it just kind of rolls back in like this, so you can, you know, travel with it. It's like super small.
Any idea about the battery life?
Once fully charged, it can go up to 5 hours.
Wow.
So I think that's perfect.
Another great product is this power plug adapter by Anker. This is the Anker Nano because it is small. The traditional ones are really bulky.
Yeah, the European converters are like big, massive blocks.
Exactly. So the Nano is nice and slick. It has this brushed aluminum finish to it. Basically, you have these little switches that bring out the plugs for different places. What's great about this one is when you plug it in, you have USB-Cs, the new USBs.
2 of them.
You have 2 of them. You have the USB-As, which is the older traditional ones that are handy. And then you have your 120 volt outlet. So this is just a great adapter to have if you're going on a European cruise. But it doubles up as a great adapter to bring to any European country.
Yeah, and almost all the cruise ships have a European plug inside the cabin. So you can actually extend your, like if you have a lot of electronics and you need to charge multiple things.
Exactly, you can
also use this. That way you can plug your regular stuff
That's
in.
right, that way you
But this one does
from.
up to 200 countries. It's good for up to 200 countries. So you have your EU countries right here. You have UK. You have Australia plug. So lots of different plugs on this little Nano thing. And like John said, look how thin it is compared to the other converters. It's so much smaller and lighter weight.
If you're like us, you have to fly into your cruise port to take your cruise. So we have a bunch of little gadgets that help us make our flights more enjoyable. This is the Bluetooth Relay by Aventry. It's basically a plain adapter that can split an audio connection to multiple devices. So you can both enjoy the same movie either on the onboard screen from the thing, or you can actually just use it right on your iPad. So you can bring one iPad, watch a show or a movie, split the connection with this little gadget to 2 wireless earbuds or earphones.
And it does come with a little carrying case. It even comes with the 2-prong adapter. So if you're on a really old plane that has like the little 2-prong adapter, you just have to plug it in here, and then you plug it into the airplane entertainment system. Okay, the next thing that I actually saw on the social media networks, I saw a lot of people using these. So basically it's like a little travel cup holder. I often take cruises with my family, so we're 4 people in the room. We like to get coffee in the morning, early in the morning. Hold on, I'm trying to open this.
It's super easy usually.
So it basically opens up like this and it holds your coffee cup. So here, pass me a coffee cup.
So if you do a little Starbucks run.
We often do a little coffee run in the morning. So that way it comes with a little handle and you can carry up to 4 cups.
So this is just handy. You run back to the elevator.
Just to do a little coffee run, or even just your alcoholic beverages too. If you're more than 2 people, it's nice to go to the bar. You can grab all the alcoholic beverages and go, you know, sit by the pool or whatever. And then they kind of like fold in on each other. Super thin, super easy to carry. You could just throw this at the bottom of your suitcase.
If you follow us and you've seen some of our vlogs, we shoot 98% of the footage on a DJI Pocket Osmo 3. So this one we started using, it's a magnetic mount / stand that wraps around the DJI Osmo, and you can basically, it has a magnetic back and you can hook it up like in your stateroom
onto the walls.
To shoot part of your vlog or any other moment. There's so much metal on the ship. Sometimes it can be like the patio furniture, it can be anything. Well, this is a great thing. Instead of erecting an entire stand to shoot something, you can just hook this up to a chair, to anything that's made of metal, and then you can both be in the shot.
It has a cold shoe mount right here on the side, so if you want to add a mic or if you want to add like a little light or something, highly recommend this little piece, especially if you invested in a Pocket 3 like this.
This is the Clic and Clean Screen Cleaner. It's a sexy little convenient cleaner for your phone. I don't know, when you're traveling, you use your phone so much on the airport, like on the cruise, and we're always eating and drinking on the cruise, so they get all smudged.
Or you get like sunscreen on your hands, so your cover's full of like fingerprints.
Exactly. So this comes in this nice little sleek carrying case. You just push it out like this, and it's got a spritzer built in. But so you spray your phone as such, and then the actual exterior of it is the wiping system for it, and it's kind of like a little micro felt, so it does a really good job, gets it super clean, no streaks, and they're very smart. What they did is they didn't waste any of it. Sorry, so they added a little kind of drawer that pops out like that. You just slide it out, and this can hold up your phone like this so that you can watch a show or a movie or whatever.
And it works, so you put it down on a table, you could either watch it like this or you can even put it sideways like this.
It actually cleans pretty well.
It cleans really well, and you can even use it on your iPad. You can use it on your computer screen.
Makeup remover.
No, you don't want to do that, but it's for any type of screen. The next thing we wanted to show you is this little case for your glasses, and this one's kind of cool because it kind of holds any type of glasses like this. So as you can see, it's like a regular glasses case, but then when this is not in use and your glasses are actually on your face or, you know, in your hair, you can collapse this down and it becomes like this super small flat thing. So it's perfect to throw into your backpack or into your smaller purses, and it doesn't take up a lot of room.
I read in some of the comments of our packing videos that we pack a lot of stuff, but we pack a lot of collapsible stuff.
Yeah.
So, you know,
practical.
We kind of pack our stuff like a clown car. Like we get a lot of, but we have small bags, we put everything in there, and then everything kind of like, it expands. Yeah. When we take it out, it comes out.
I just like clever designs like that. I think it just makes traveling that much more pleasant. And when you can save on room, why not?
So those are the cruise items for 2026 that we've added and integrated into our travel list of items to bring. If you liked any items here, we're gonna put all of these items in the description box down below. And if you have any suggestions for additional items that we may have overlooked or things that make your cruise life a lot easier, we'd love that. We'd love you to share that with us.
Yeah, for sure. We're always open to finding new things and sharing them on this channel. All right, guys, so thanks so much for watching. We'd really appreciate if you take the time to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It just helps us make more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy cruising. Bye.